It's cruise
Yay!
day. We are getting ready to head down and catch our shuttle to the ports.
That should only be like a 2-minute ride. We're looking out the window and it's right there.
So we're super excited. We can't wait to get on board and bring you guys along with us.
Yep. Hopefully. I mean, we haven't been out of New Orleans in a while. We did sail out of here a couple of years ago, but yeah, I'm excited.
Yep. So we'll see you on board, guys. Yes. That's fine. So much. May I have a minute? We made it on board.
Oh, finally.
Yes.
I think we've been a little spoiled with our last few Royal cruises where it's just walk right on board.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't bad, but I just wasn't used to waiting.
Yeah, I guess they were running behind today, so we didn't actually board until 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it was almost 11. Yeah.
So, but we're on board. We already did our muster.
Yep. We're hiding out in the theater here right now, doing a little check-in.
Yeah, and we're going to go get some lunch very soon.
I'm going to vent a little bit here. It seems we bought this new mic system and it works great when we test it at home. We get on board and the stuff doesn't work. It's driving me nutty.
Yes.
So we've got just the one mic we're sharing again.
Hopefully we'll get that second mic working at some point soon.
I don't understand.
I don't know. This happened on our last cruise too. This is very annoying.
So, okay. Well, what are we going to go do?
We need to go
eat.
Eat and drink.
Yes.
Yes.
What are you going for?
I don't know.
I know what you're going for. Don't play like you don't know.
Is it open?
Guys Burgers.
Guys Burger?
Yes, it's open.
We'll see how crazy the line is.
Yeah, that's the only problem. It might be crazy.
Yes, but I am hungry.
I know. Well, we're always hungry. What are you talking about?
Yes, but okay. So you ready to go?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, we got us some Guys Burgers. First burger of the trip.
I got a ringer, chicken dinner.
Messy.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's I'm hungry or what, but it's good.
All right, we're gonna dig into this.
Oh, I already started eating.
What are you eating?
Confetti cheesecake, is that what it's called?
Yes. The Carnival Embarkation Special.
It is very good. I like it.
I don't know. Well, it's time for me to get some too, so. Come and take a picture from the back.
Oh, she lost a shoe or something. Maybe her glasses. We got our first real drinks of the cruise.
Yes.
I got a fun ship.
And I got a, what was it?
Some kind of rum runner.
Yeah, treasure.
I don't know.
It's good.
Yeah, mine's pretty good too.
I'm going to take a sip. Very good. Hints of coconuts in there.
Okay. Yes. And by the way, these drinks are courtesy of our travel agent, Jim, because
That's right.
he gave us onboard credit.
That's right. So thank you, Jim.
Thank you, Jim, for our onboard credit. We used it on some drinks.
What else are you going to use it on? This is the best thing.
Exactly. So if you want some onboard credit, go look up Jim at Caribbean Breeze Travel, and he will hook you up with some onboard credit as well.
Yep.
And you can get yourself some drinks.
Courtesy of Jim.
That's right. He is the best in the business.
Chocolate meats on a donut.
We made it to our room.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Wait till you see these accommodations.
Oh, yeah.
We went all out.
We went all the way to the bottom. Deck 1. We've never stayed on deck 1 before.
No,
So this ought to be fun.
we do have
Yes. Let me turn it around. You can see. We've got
portholes.
portholes. Yeah. At least we can see the outside world. We'll know if it's daytime or nighttime.
But now, check this out.
Yes. We've got
What is your bed?
one little tiny bed.
Kim gets to sleep on the floor this cruise.
We do have a couch over here. I guess we could sleep on the couch.
It does have a pull
But
down.
it does have a pull down bed. So we're going to get our attendant to pull that down for us.
And then we'll show you what that looks like.
Then that will determine where I'm going to sleep. Am I going to sleep up there? Or am I going to sleep down there? I don't know.
Don't worry, I'll get some video of her sleeping in the bunk.
But what I can tell you, we will not be sleeping together.
Nope.
This is our little vacation away from each other. You sleep there, I sleep there.
I'm scared. I don't even know if I'll fit on that little bed.
I know. You might roll over and just fall right out.
I know, that thing is teeny.
It's so tiny. I don't know. But what time is it? It was like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1:30. A little after 1:30.
1:30. So rooms were ready around 1:30 today.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right when
yeah.
they said.
And our bags were already here, so that is awesome. That is a plus. They didn't lose our bags. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
I got some important stuff in there. So, let me show you. We got some complimentary cookies from our travel agent.
Thank you, Jim.
Jim at Caribbean Breeze Travel. He got us some chocolate chunk cookies. Scott's absolute favorite.
I know. I've been
You
dying.
must know that he loves cookies.
I've been dying to try one of these since I've been sitting here.
He's ripping it open, y'all.
Crap!
He's dropping the cookies.
I'm so excited.
He's so excited to get a cookie.
I can't get it open. Oh, I got it. Oh my goodness! Look at that.
It's huge. Crunchy.
Come on.
No. Is it good?
It's good.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you, Jim.
We appreciate you.
Yes.
All right, so we've had our lunch. We've had some drinks. We've got our cookies here.
I got a cookie.
Yes. We're gonna get ready for sail away.
Okay.
Oh my God. How many drinks have you had?
Half.
Half of one?
Half of one.
Whew, lightweight. So, a couple hours we'll be sail away.
Yes.
So we're gonna sail down the Mississippi River.
Yeah. Now that's an adventure. It's what 7-8 hours before we get out to the Gulf. So we'll be long in bed before we ever make it out of
Maybe.
Mississippi.
Maybe. So we got to find our room attendant and see if he can get
Yeah.
this bed pulled down for us.
Yep.
See what our sleeping situation is going to be.
I've got to finish a cookie, so we got to go.
Okay. We got to unpack too, you guys. So we'll check in with you guys later. Bye. We are sitting in the Punchliner, getting ready to see some comedy.
We're doing the early show today because we have a feeling we won't be up for the late show. We'll see.
Well, there's nothing happening right now, so we decided to come to the early show.
Yep, we did the buffet for dinner tonight.
Yep, we decided to skip the dining room, just did the buffet. It was okay.
Yeah, it was all right.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm getting pretty down on the buffets lately. Again, there's just not much choice out there. It's not what I grew up with buffets being, you know what I'm saying?
It was fine.
But yeah, the food that was out there was
fine.
Yeah.
So we're excited for some comedy. This is just a PG show.
Yes.
So we'll see how funny the PG show is.
Now, we did the sail away party, and again, Carnival sail away party. Can't beat that. So
always a good time.
Yeah. I love just people watching it.
Yeah, lots of energy.
I know. I keep trying to get her to get down there and dance.
Cat in the Hat came out. It was awesome.
I know. Yeah.
All right.
So we're still sailing down the Mississippi.
Yep.
The mighty Miss, the old lady.
All right. We're gonna see some comedy, so we'll catch up with you guys later.
All right.
Who is ready for an awesome vacation? Make some noise! Very good. Well, we're so glad that you're here. Now, my name is Sam, and I'm your comedy club host this cruise. So we get a hey, Sam. Hey,
Sam. It's a court date, and I got a date night. Well, that interesting. I just got my jacket hooked, so I couldn't get out. It's been a long day.
Okay, folks, we're looking for two couples. Who out there?
Okay, we are about ready to go to bed.
We're in our little fort here.
He's calling it a fort. We're under the bunk bed.
I feel like we're having a sleepover.
We need to put up some blankets, make it a real fort.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Anyway, we've had a long day.
Yep.
Kind of busy. We went and saw comedy.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny.
Yeah, it's funny. Again, with these older ships, I love the comedy is big. The venue is much bigger than these bigger ships where the comedy's in a smaller venue.
Yeah, this was in, what was it called? The Eagles Lounge?
Eagles Lounge, yeah.
Yeah, it was so big.
Yeah. So
it fit a lot of people in there.
So, no, I mean, not like it's a big deal for it, but I just like it in a bigger place.
So, after that, I went and played casino for a little bit.
Yep.
Lost some money.
Yeah.
Won some, lost some, you know. We'll go back tomorrow and try again.
Yeah, I just kind of wandered around. I didn't really do anything while she was playing.
Then we went to the Welcome Aboard show in the theater. And they were just giving us a little taste of what's to come.
Yeah, that was just a little drawn out for me. That was...
Yeah,
it was a little long.
Took a while to get to the act.
Yeah.
Like the performance. Yes.
Yeah.
It was long.
And then I know you get mad when I compare, but I'm sorry. I just came off the Utopia with All In show, and that was so amazing. And this was not even in the same realm.
I thought they were good though.
I mean, yeah,
they were good, and they sang like upbeat songs. It was fun.
Yeah,
it was fun.
Okay, fine.
Yes, it was fun.
Okay.
All right. So that's it for us. We're really tired. So tomorrow's a sea day.
Yes. What's our plans? What do you have for us tomorrow on a sea day?
Just winging it.
Winging it.
Winging it, man. Just winging it.
We're just going to be hanging loose.
I don't know. We'll see what tomorrow brings.
There you go. That's the best way to do it.
Yes. All right. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Night. Night, Cam.
Good night, Scott.
Hope we have a good sea day tomorrow.
Me too. Love you.
Love you. I'm gonna enjoy sleeping by myself.
You're so dumb.